So today's home workout is designed for complete beginners, and as your qualified online trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, with over 20 years of experience, you are in safe hands. I'm going to be doing a really fun workout that is simply about moving your body. We're going to do it at home, don't need any equipment. It's going to take approximately about 10 minutes, and guess what? You and I are going to get into it straight away. So what I want you to do is just simply start marching on the spot for me. So we're going to do 10 moves. One of them we're going to include as our warm-up, all right? So we are literally going to start in a few seconds. If you need to at any point, if you want to take a breather, you can remember always hit that pause button. So let's get ready with the first one. We are simply going to do a march in place. So let's start now. Start marching on the spot. We're doing this for 60 seconds. The point of the first move is I want to increase your core body temperature. And today is all about me teaching you about how to get healthy and fit. And this is going to be a series. I'm going to do 4 of these workouts, so you'll have one each week to follow. Come week 4, you will notice that you are feeling so much fitter and stronger already. All right, let's just keep that going. So what we'll do, let's now just rotate those arms, just lift the shoulders a little bit, and just so then we're really mobilizing through your joints. All right, that's good, keeping that going. And what we'll do now, just as part of this little warm-up, let's just do a little toe tap in front and just release those arms. So we're just then working through all those joints and just warming up. So it's all low impact today. We haven't got anything high impact. It's all just nice movements. Okay, so what I want you to do, I'm going to just demonstrate the next move. You simply carry on marching. So for the next move, we're going to just literally travel across for 1 and 2 and then do a clap. We go 1, 2 and clap. It's as simple as that. So it's just doing 2 side steps and then you add the clap. All right, so we'll get ready to come into position and make the most. If you've got loads of room at home, you know, you could do it more than 2 side steps. Okay, so I've got limited space. Let's get ready. Let's go 3, 2 and 1. So we step it 1 and 2 and then clap 1, 2 and add that clap. All right, that's good. So we're just going to keep going. So just focus on landing softly. And if you want to work these harder, then all you need to do is you make the moves deeper. So for example, I could then take it to a deeper step and a wider step. And the great thing is with fitness, the more you do this, the more you will notice your body is starting to get fitter and stronger, and it reacts to fitness so quickly and progressively throughout the week, because I want you to do this every single day this week. Come day 7, you will notice that you can take that wider, you can take that deeper. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. A few more. Make those claps really nice and loud for me. Well done. Okay, so we are done on that second move. So you just march while I show you how to do move 3. So move 3 is just going to be a really fun one. I'm no good at punching, but we're going to have a go. So this is the move you're going to do. I want you to imagine you're doing an undercut. So we come forwards for 4 and then you're going to march back. All right, so simple as that. It's an undercut for 4 and then march forwards for 4. So let's get ready, landing softly with those feet marching. Let's go 3, 2 and 1. So undercut. So we're really now working through those arms and just march it back and take it 1. Let's go 2, go 3 and 4 and then travel that back for 4. So take it 1, go 2 and 3, 4 and travel it back. That's good. And work at your own speed. You don't have to do it in time with me. I'm just here showing you. So you work at what suits you. And again, punch it up. So it's an undercut. And again, the lower you go, the more that's going to increase the heart rate. So you can take it to a lower move. Again, just keep doing what suits you. All right, that's good. And keeping that going. You can tell I've never done boxing in my life. All right, and undercut, undercut, one more, them on more for luck. And then let's just march that back. Okay, so you carry marching. Let me show you the next move. So for move number 4, this time we're going to do a hamstring curl. So all I'm doing, I'm just bending through the knee, taking the leg behind, and I'm just going to add in some arms. So this is all we're doing for this move. You carry on marching, just watch how I'm doing that. All right, so let's come into position. Start with your feet so they're slightly wider than shoulder width distance apart, arms in front, and now just pull. And we're just going to squeeze that back. That's good. And focus here as well on keeping good upper body posture. So where we're activating with this one, I'm now working through your hamstring, the back of the upper thigh. We're also working through your upper body. So we're working through that upper back, we're working through the chest, and also because we're taking one foot off the floor, we're really working on what's called your stabilization muscles. So we're working on those abdominals at the same time for your balance. So this is where we're working your entire body with these simple moves, but they are so effective. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. Well done. And as you can see, this workout's going to fly by. It's all about making fitness fun for you. And we're nearly done on these ones. Last couple. All right, just march it out for me. Okay, so for the next move, move number 5, we're going to be a half star. So we're literally just going to take one arm up, one leg out to the side, as simple as that. So let's get ready to come into position, and we're going to get ready to take that arm and that leg out, and let's come up and over. Now again, if you want to, you can travel this around the room, or you can do it so you're just staying on the spot. Again, just do what works for you. Lift that up. So you can see here, while you're doing that, what I want you to look at is, you can see your body moves more than just forwards and backwards. And what I'm doing by lifting it out to the side here, I'm working in a range of motion which is called lateral. And it's so important when we're starting on this health and fitness journey that we use your body in as many different directions as we can. And this is where it's going to really help with balance, stability, so many other components of fitness. All right, that's good. Keeping that going, doing really well. Last few coming up, and then we're on to move 6. All right, so march it out for me. So for the next one, it's really fun. You are just going to pretend you are swimming. So we're going to do a swim and a toe tap. So it's swimming arms, and we're just going to travel that around the room. So remember, if you need to hit pause, if you're feeling a little bit tired, or if you want to grab some water, just hit that pause button. If not, we're going to get ready to go straight into that next move. So let's take the arms up. Let's go 3, 2, and 1. And let's swim that out. All right, so as I said, you could just do this standing on the spot, or if you want to, move around the room. And by adding in the arms is really how we kind of then also really increase that intensity. That's good. So fitness is the minute you've done a workout, you can officially call yourself someone who's into fitness now. You've done it, and you will feel so much more energy. You will feel in control of your body. And to be fit doesn't mean you've got to run, you've got to do burpees, you've got to look a certain way. Just to be fit just means you are investing in your health and you are moving your body every single day. That's what being fit is, and that's what you are right now. All right, that's good. Just give me a few more seconds. Okay, we are now done on our swim. So for move number 7, this time you carry on marching. Let me just show you. We're going to work on our motor skills, which means our coordination. We're going to tap one foot in front, then the other one to the side. We tap in front and then to the side. And you stay there. I'm just going to click my timer. It's about to go out. So let's get ready. Come into position. One knee is slightly bent, hands on the hip. And let's go 3, 2, 1. Take it in front, back, and then that leg to the side. So we tap in front, to the side. Now, if you want to, you can add in some arms. Okay, that's good. Tap it out, in front, to the side, in front, to the side. That's good. And in front. Then what we're going to do, halfway through, we're going to change and we're going to lead with the opposite leg. So what we're going to do this time now, just hold it here, take that leg in front, this one out to the side. If you find it too much with the arms, then simply place your hands on your hips. That's good. And step in front to this side, in front to the side. Doing really well. That's good. And if you want to, just add in those arms. And actually, it's really important doing this motor skills. This really helps with brain fit as well, you know. So important to keep challenging our bodies. Okay, we are done on that one. So your next one, we're going to do ladder climbs. So for this one, just imagine you're climbing up a ladder. All right, this is what we're going to do for this move. So nice, simple one, but this one is tough. But then I know you are tough as well, and I know you can do this. So just march out, roll those shoulders round. Let's get ready, because we're going to climb this ladder for 60 seconds. All right, let's start now. Let's go 3, 2, 1. So imagine you're just climbing up that ladder, and think of it like this. This is now you climbing this journey of you being healthy and fit. You know, you are now simply taking control of your body, and every time you work out is investing in your future health. It's so important to remember that. The only way we can truly get healthy and fit is by eating healthy foods and by exercise. And exercise not only strengthens our heart, strengthens our bones, it makes us feel good, it reduces anxiety. It is literally the medicine for everything. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And remember, it doesn't matter what age, what ability, we can all move our bodies. Okay, that's it. Keeping that going. So we are nearly at that top of that ladder. Just give me a few more. And then we're going to focus straight on an arm exercise. All right, march that out for me. March it on the spot. Next move, let me just show you. I'm just going to get you to stand still. You're going to go 4 punches across. Then you're going to pretend you're skipping with skipping arms like that for 4. Okay? So let's get ready. Let's march it out on the spot. Come into a wide stance for me. Have your knees soft. Have your tummy pulled in. And we're going to get ready to punch the arm across. Let's go 3, 2, 1. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now imagine you're skipping 4. Go 3, 2, and 1. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And bring those arms back. 1. Let's go 2. Take it 3 and 4. And punch it across. 1, 2, 3, 4. And skip. Pretend skipping with those arms. Now, if you want to, if you feel confident, you could do it. So you're doing a little bit of a toe tap. So you punch, 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 and then tap that. Okay, because you're going to be doing this workout for the next 7 days is what I'm going to recommend. You can progressively make each move harder. But if you want to, you can always just keep it standing still. If you want to just start off slightly easier and then circle that 1. Let's go 2, take it 3 and 4. So what we're going to do now, just march it out. This last move is, I'm going to be talking to you. You are going to go for 60 seconds doing anything you want. You might want to do crazy dancing. You might want to do marching on the spot. Do whatever you want for 60 seconds right now. And while you're doing this, I'm just going to be talking to you as your online trainer. So for the next 7 days, you're going to be doing this workout. Then the following week, I'm going to have series 2 from this, episode 2 from this series. And you will find, because you have done this now for a whole week, remember, keep moving, do your crazy dancing, whatever it is, you are going to get fitter. You are making this muscle here, your heart, stronger. So for episode 2, it's going to be a little bit more challenging, the same for 3 and 4. All right, just keep going. So I'm going to do some crazy dancing with you. It could literally be anything. We are moving your body. That's it. And then we're going to take it straight to a cool down. All right, well done. So that is, you can see how quickly the time goes. That is your 10 minutes done. So what I want you to do now, take a deep breath in, just march it out on the spot, and let's just slowly bring your heart rate back down now. All right, that's good. Deep breath in and deep breath out. And let's just march it out. So first of all, you are amazing, and you're going to get one of these. You're going to get another high five in a minute, but I just had to give you that now to say well done for doing that. Let's just march. So what I want you to do is just do some very light little tap backs, because what we're going to do, we're just going to stretch these muscles that we have just worked on there. All right, and we're doing a little bit of an active stretch. So what we're going to do, on the count of 4, we're going to hold one leg back. So let's go 1, take it 2, 3 and 4. Now keep this leg behind. All right, lean into that front leg, hands on the bent leg, and I just want you to feel a little bit of a stretch through the calf muscle. All right, and the point is of stretching, it helps to realign the muscles. It also means it helps prevent any muscular soreness the next day, even though sometimes we do feel that, and it just shows that we've really worked. All right, just holding that there. And let's now step forwards and just take that opposite leg behind. And if you want a more in-depth stretch, I will leave a link at the end of the video. You can go and do that. So again, just make sure the heel is behind on that leg and you're feeling it in that calf muscle right there. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's come up. Now this next stretch, this time, take one foot in front, hands now come onto that bent leg, just lean forwards, feel the stretch through the back of the upper thigh. So what is important today, feel amazing, feel so proud of yourself. You have invested in your health, which is incredible. And what you want to do is now, let's just take that to the other leg, make sure you make healthy choices, make healthy food choices, drink plenty of water, get a good night's sleep, you know, and really treat your body, look after your body. Okay, that's good. And then let's come up. Okay, so for the next stretch, quadricep stretch, you might want to have your hand by a wall for balance, and we're just going to take one leg and just feel slight stretch down the front of the thigh. Make sure your supporting leg for me is slightly bent. Okay, that's good. Just holding that there. And just release. Let's now take that to the other side. So again, use a chair wall and just make sure that supporting leg for me is very slightly bent. That's it. And do come and find me on social media. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook. We've got the most amazing community on Facebook, Lucy Squad. Do come and join us, especially if you are a real beginner and you really want some inspirational stories and meet some amazing people. You will love our community. Find me on Pinterest, all the rest, even TikTok. I never have time to do that one though. Right, let's now bring the arms in front and just feel a nice stretch through the top of the upper back for me on there. And keep me posted on how you're getting on. If you've got any questions, do let me know in the comments down below. If you've got any questions regarding your training, let's take the arms behind. And then on my website at lwrfitness.com, I have got lots of blogs on healthy living. So you've got loads of information. There's a hub of information for you there. Okay, and just release. So well done, you have done it. What I want you to do now is do this for the next 7 days. And this is you on your start to your health, fitness, a lifestyle journey. You're going to be learning with me. I'm going to be teaching you so many different things along the way. And I'm going to see you back here in 7 days time once you've done this, and then we're going to up it a little bit because you are going to be so much fitter in 7 days time. Now, as your online trainer, I always finish with this. There is your high five. And if you liked today's video, please give it a workout, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. And also, if you liked it, then please do share it. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.